Hey guys, my name is Rena. I wanted to leave a review. I ordered hair from McGeesh. He is over Hair Exum. You can guys see that good. I ordered hair from here. I was doing a lot of research trying to find a good hair vendor, and he had a lot of amazing reviews. He's also on YouTube and Instagram, so you can see the quality of the hair. And what I liked about this hair so much, not only just that the hair is very good quality, I liked when I messaged him on WhatsApp. Very quick response. He's very nice, very friendly. But he didn't, like, if I was trying to email him, he didn't take a long time to give me a response back. It was very quick, very adequate, which I liked. I have in the natural curly hair. I usually always wear curly hair. It's usually a little bit tighter than this, but I like mine's a little loose, so I just comb through it with a big tooth comb. This is the natural state that the curly hair comes in. And this hair is natural, it's non-processed. So it comes usually natural, like a natural brown, and you would just have to color it yourself. I've straightened this hair. It straightens very well, and the curls revert right back to normal. So yes, I would definitely recommend this hair. Smells amazing. The packaging is nice. Comes like a little clear package. Flip it over. But yeah, the packaging's nice. The hair is nice. Soft quality. The wefts are thin. It doesn't shed. It doesn't tangle. This hair is definitely a go-to. The prices are affordable. So if you're looking for something, I would definitely check this out. Thank you guys. I love this hair so much.